Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add a status on WhatsApp web on PC, so let's start. Now it's very easy to do it, so first let's go to our status. In the left side you can find it and you can see here it says add. So just click here and you can add photos and videos if you want from your PC, or if you prefer you can add a text. So depending what you want to send. For example, hello everyone. So now just click here and you can send it. You can add a sticker, change the font, or change the background. If you prefer that's okay, well just click here on the green button in the right corner here, and then you can see that this will share to your status on WhatsApp web. Now if you can see, here appears like this one. So that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.